Aloha and good morning, tubers. I am sitting here on the 8th deck of the Oasis in Central Park. I just went over to the Park Cafe and got some coffee, and I'm trying to wake up. It's a beautiful day out here on the water. I'm so hoping that Hurricane Irma decides not to cross paths with us. Oh, please let that not happen. So anyway, I'm gonna try to wake up and I will shoot some video and do some stuff around the ship and hopefully entertain you guys. Good morning. Day 2 of the I'm not eating anything because I need to lose weight diet. So today is a salad with no meat, fruit cup, and a banana. I have to lose at least 10 pounds.
Then you walk right. Now high. So let's do it very slowly, and then we speed it up. From the top, very slowly. 1, cha up, cha back, and turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down. 2, 3, and 4. And see what happens.
It's Columbo night. Everybody's getting pictures done all around the ship. So Carrie is working here at the gym, and he's going to show me how to have a heart attack on this machine.
This is actually called the Widowmaker.
It's because there actually is. We talk about the lack of bipartisanship.
Editing the video while recording a video and watching the news in my room.
Actually benefits the people.
I'm a party monster. It's Jamaica. Oh yeah, coffee. Hi, how are you?
We were at the show.
Ah!
And we were there too. Steve.
Hey, Steve. There's the other Steve. Hey, Steve. What? Let me hit. Steve. See, y'all. He heard Steve. He thought, oh, that. Yeah. Well, he was me when I was younger.
Mira, compra ese, el con harina.
Ahora tiene un café, ya tú sabes. Es ahí, lo que...
Aloha, tubers, and welcome to Jamaica. Oh yeah, it's coffee in the little cups. That's right. You know what I say? If it doesn't come in a little cup, it might not be real coffee. Carrie was like, what is this? I don't understand what you're doing. I don't understand.
Every day.
Don't understand the social media thing.
Who are these people watching this?
Who are these people?
Don't they have jobs?
Yeah, they watch it at work.
I can't even check my email today. You guys
And I got video going. The market.
that thunder head over there.
Julian, and I brought back Alex, and I brought back Marty. Got them all. Probably charged for taking a picture.
Oh yeah, America right there in Jamaica. Oh yeah, it's America. Uh-oh, somebody's getting in trouble, look. Gee, somebody's getting in trouble back there, huh?
I would have smacked that. She popped her mom in the mouth.
Really? I didn't see that.
She grabbed his arm. Okay, say hey. Want to go in there and look? Want to get the pictures in there?
No,
Well, you said so.
no, I just like to walk around and see some of the sights. See, for the people that view, they don't make it down here, so this is like a travel log for them.
Yeah, I know.
Woo! Almost fell. Oh. Well, it's time to head back to the ship. I got a few videos. I shot some things, got some coffee. I got a headache from the coffee, and it was so good. It was so strong, but no lunch. So I'm heading back to eat now. Back to the ship to grab something to eat, because it's free there. It's free on the ship. It's not free out here. I like free. Can you hear me? The band's playing. It's really windy. I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Arroz. Good boss. Lettuce, a little lettuce. 1 scoop of onion.
Made it back on the ship, and now it's lunchtime. Chicken salad with onions and corn. Shrimp salad with a banana and a fruit cup. But he's eating meat. This horrible, horrible man is eating meat. Why do you eat meat? So horrible for you. Animals suffered. Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I need to do another noodle chat, and hopefully soon. I'm on the boat, and I did bring some noodles with me. I brought some hot and spicy, but the ship has noodles today. So I'm gonna eat a noodle salad. It's still noodles, right? A noodle salad on the ship. Thank you, Royal Caribbean. It's noodle time. Oh, after lunch delight. Oh, cheesecake? Oh my God, that's on our diet, right? Yeah, cheesecake. Oh, the shows tonight were so damn good. Darn good, sorry, darn good. And now I'm gonna go exercise. I'm gonna go meet Carrie, we've been seeing in the video. Carrie and I are gonna go walk a few miles around the, there he is right there. See, we're gonna go walk a few miles around the ship right now. So you ready? I've been waiting on you.